And by the way, you can actually use your markers na ano. So, ang first natin is marker. So, these are our layering. Ito ang ating layering. Ha? Marker first. And then, pastel. And then, colored pencil. Okay? For our wavy or curly wave, the same. For our burl, we will start with pastel. And then another pastel. And then our colored pencil. This is for burl. So, straight grain and wavy, pareho lang. Sa burl, pastel, colored pencil. Walang ano to, walang marker. Sa two-tone, we have marker, and then pastel, and then pastel, dalawang pastel this time, and then colored pencil. Okay? So, we will start first with marker. Okay. Please use yung merong, ano ba to? Beveled side. Kasi baka magano siya. So, you start by rendering the sides muna. Now, if you can do it na freehand, bakit hindi? Okay lang. Okay? Or you can use your any straight edge. Yes, any shade of brown will do. And then every time that you use your marker, papalayo parate. Papalayo. Okay? Now, okay lang kung medyo meron siyang mga linya because that will just add to our graining. Okay lang yan. Okay. Now, the reason why I asked you to at least buy 48 colors ng pastel is because you need to look for the same shade of pastel for this marker. Okay? So, kung medyo, kunyari 64 yung binili ninyo, you have more choices in whatever pastel you are using. Okay? Actually, ito yung pinakamalapit niya. Yung light terracotta.
Yan na lang.
Hindi, kaya nga eh. I have actually, I'm not sure if I have that. I will use yung bigger. I have kasi a new one.
Wow.
Ay, wala. Dark. Pero okay lang. Ito. Yeah. Diba? Or not. So this will be fine. I will use this instead. So, medyo dark siya ng konti, but this is fine. So you apply the pastel. Who has yung basa parati ang pasmado. No, magpuputik ka. Hindi kasi powder to eh. So, disadvantage you on your part, it's a disadvantage. But if you have a yaya, just tell your yaya, burnish. So when you burnish, you will use your finger and you do like this. So, kapag medyo nga ano ka, kasi magpuputig siya dahil basa, di ba? Yaya, burnish. Yeah, circular. Now, actually, yung iba is always asking me, Sir, bakit hindi tayo gumamit ng tissue tap igaganon? Kasi kumakapit sa tissue yung ano. Kasi ito merong konting what's this? Hindi siya dumidikit masyado, unlike sa tissue. Para lang binura mo. Okay? So, ang nangyayari is actually it softens. It softens the marker. Kanina, kung marker lang siya, matigas ang dating. Tapos yung mga linya somehow na distinct, 'di ba? Yung overlapping ng lines. Pero this time, when we apply the pastel, it softens it. Yun yung pinaka parang effect na ginagawa ng pastel. And then, pagpag ng konti, now, we are going to erase. Siyempre, may mga lagpas, di ba? Mga lagpas na yan, you are going to erase that using your kneaded eraser. And your acetate. Okay? Now, when you erase, do not erase it na kaagad na ganon. Minsan kasi, if the pastel is thick, dudulas lang siya. So, ang gagawin ninyo muna is to dab your kneaded eraser like that para mabawasan yung kapal ng ano. And then, that's the time that you erase. Okay? Like that. So, actually, ito, ang purpose nito is just to mask. Pang shield. Parang erasing shield. Okay? And then at the same time, since it is clear, nakikita mo yung ine-erase mo. Okay? And then from time to time, if you notice, nakita nyo yung dumi na yan, lilinisin nyo yan. Okay lang kung itatapat mo siya doon din sa ano. Kasi, walang effect yan. Pero kung itinapat mo siya sa may maputi, na wala pang nare-render, kakapit doon, dudumi. So from time to time, lilinisin nyo yan. O kung mayaman ka nga lang, after one gamit ng acetate, throw. Sama. Okay. Okay. So there. We are actually ready now to spray this with fixative. Now, when you spray with fixative, do not spray inside an enclosed space, ha? Kasi hihikain kayo. Sino bang may hika nga pala? You need to spray out. Open here. So when you spray, you spray 10 to 12 inches away. And do not spray it continuously. Because if you spray continuously, the spray will focus on one spot and somehow kakapal siya. Tapos makikita nyo siya na parang makintab na lang dahil sa sobrang dami ng spray. So when you spray, yung pawisik-wisik lang. Okay?